Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to delete promotions in Gmail, bulk delete in seconds. Now, we all know how annoying it can be when your Gmail Promotions tab is packed with countless marketing emails, newsletters, and other promotional messages. You might feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of clutter, making it hard to find the emails that really matter to you. In this video, we will tackle this issue head-on and show you how to quickly clear out the Promotions tab on your computer. Plus, we'll discuss steps you can take to prevent new promotional emails from flooding your inbox in the future. Let's dive in and start with the process of bulk deleting promotions using your computer. First, open your web browser and log into Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, you'll see different tabs at the top, labeled Primary, Social, and Promotions. Click on the Promotions tab to display only those emails that are often filled with advertisements and newsletters. The next step is to select all the promotional emails that are visible on the page. To do this, go to the top left corner of the email list and click the checkbox. This action will select all the emails you can currently see. However, if you have a large number of promotions that span multiple pages, don't worry. Look for a banner at the top of the promotions list that says, "Select all conversations in promotions." Clicking this link will ensure that every email in the promotions category, not just the ones on the current page, is selected. Now that you've selected all the unwanted emails, it's time to delete them. Click the delete icon, which might be labeled as a trash bin, to move all these selected messages into the trash folder. If you change your mind, remember that these emails haven't been permanently deleted yet. They are still available in the trash folder for recovery. However, if you're sure about your decision and want to permanently remove them immediately, navigate to the trash or bin folder on the left sidebar. If you don't see the trash option right away, click on More to expand the list. Inside the trash folder, click on Empty Trash Now to delete everything permanently. Keep in mind that anything in the trash is automatically deleted after 30 days, offering a grace period in case you accidentally delete something important. Now, let's move on to preventing future promotional clutter. There are two effective methods to keep your inbox tidy. The first method involves setting up a Gmail filter to automatically delete promotional emails. To create this filter, click the Show Search Options icon, which looks like a small triangle, in the Gmail search bar. In the panel that appears, select Category and choose Promotions. Click on Create Filter, then select the option that says Delete it. Confirm by clicking Create Filter again. With this filter in place, any new message that falls under the Promotions category will go directly to the trash. Initially, you might want to monitor your trash folder to ensure that important emails aren't being accidentally deleted. The second method to reduce future clutter is to unsubscribe from mailing lists you no longer wish to be part of. Open one of those promo emails and look for the unsubscribe link, which Gmail conveniently places near the sender's name at the top of the email. Clicking unsubscribe will send a request to the sender to remove you from their mailing list. And most senders will respect this request within a few days. And that's how you can easily manage and delete promotions in Gmail, creating a cleaner and more organized inbox. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to delete promotions in Gmail, bulk delete in seconds. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.